Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Fucking take that to the grave with me. They can't see through bullshit, so they're left with only fake and weak. 10 writers to write timber, spill my soul and no one's playing me. It's plain to see, they hating me. They take what they can take from me.
Mucha